Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how my new spark plug cleaner works. Let me see if I can show you how bad this battery was, or it still is. You can actually, I don't know if the camera can show, but there's still carbon all the way in there. And if you have a Seadoo or any two-stroke engine, yeah, this is a pain in the butt to be cleaning or replacing spark plugs unless you do this. And please note that I wasn't able to turn the spark plug to get it clean all the way around, but I hope you can see as clear as I am looking at it. There's no carbon at all in there. All done like new.